Are you interested in learning how to make a great presentation? Do you have a lot of presentations but you don't know where to start? Well, good thing you are here, because in this video I will show you what makes a presentation strong. You will also receive tips for delivering your presentation as a video recording. So, let's begin. I will first tell you 10 principles to help you create a great presentation. 1. A great presentation is based on 3 fundamentals: knowledge of the topic, your audience's confidence in the delivery of the content, and your ability to communicate an idea. 2. To begin, you have to know your audience, so you can effectively engage, inspire, and motivate them. 3. Call the audience to an adventure. This is where the presentation's big idea is introduced. 4. Make it a story with some emotion to make an emotional connection with the audience and actively engage them. 5. Convey one main idea per slide. 6. Limit text. You shouldn't have more than 6 words on a slide. 7. Have visual elements in your presentation, such as images, video, or illustrations. 8. Ensure contains valuable information for your audience. 9. Create a call to action that defines exactly what you want the audience to do after gaining knowledge on the topic. 10. Make sure your presentation is clear and understandable. Now that we know the fundamentals of a great presentation, let's learn some practical steps for getting to a great presentation by using sticky notes. 1. Brainstorm. Collect numerous ideas through a mind map to define your thoughts and gather some information about them. 2. Cluster ideas by topics. 3. Transform topics into messages. 4. Group and identify chunk and sequence related topics. 5. Add supporting points. 6. Emphasize turning points. 7. Storyboard. Sketch and arrange visual slide ideas that convey your thoughts in such a way that's close to a real presentation. Visualize your presentation and know how the story of the presentation will flow. 8. Use Dvorak's presentation form. Map the movement of presentation from beginning to middle to end and highlight what is and what could be. 9. Add a star moment, something they will always remember. Use the opportunity to deliver your message in an unforgettable way. 10. Choose what kind of star moment will work best for your presentation. Evocative visuals, compelling imagery to infuse your message with emotion, or repeatable sound bites. Now we know the concrete steps to formulate the best content for a great presentation. But what about the design? When you decide to create a presentation, you have to choose your mood board. Tools used to establish the look and feel of a design project, such as images, icon color, and typography. A mood board can also be used as inspiration for building slide template. Here are some recommended free sites. Canva. If you want your presentation slide to come alive, you need to use graphics and eye-catching multimedia. Canva is a place to find beautiful and useful free presentation templates and icons. Unsplash. This website has grown to become one of the biggest free image sites in the world. Adobe Color. With this site, you can get color inspiration from the world. Just put in a photo you like, and it's automatically generate a palette from the colors in the photo, or save this color to use later. I will put these links below for you to access these helpful sites. Okay, so you have the visual elements you want to use in your presentation, but how do you organize them? Let's understand the core principles of slide design in a professional presentation so you can create the most captivating display. 1. Contrast. Highlight differences in space, color, and typography. 2. Repetition. Use the same or similar elements for visual cohesion. 3. Alignment. Achieve unity of all the elements on a single slide layout. 4. Proximity. Position elements in a way that they can be viewed as a group. And lastly, what should you remember when you actually deliver your presentation? Here are 5 tips. 1. Understand how personality can be leveraged in a presentation. 2. Try to make your presentation video long enough to provide all necessary details, but not too long, because you don't want to lose your audience's attention. Even if you have 90 minutes of material, it's better to break it up into 10 to 20 minute segments, so your audience can better digest all the ideas with breaks in between. 3. Add sound in the introduction and conclusion of the presentation video. 4. Use a microphone to get the clearest sound. 5. Try using the Bicha Kucha presentation format. With this technique, you would submit a 6-minute, 40-second narrated slideshow in which 20 slides advance every 20 seconds. The Bicha Kucha format is a good way to present a sequential and organized manner in order to provide the required information while also engaging your audience. This style of presentation will force the best or most relevant information to flow, because the law of constraint. Congratulations! You have reached the end of this video. You are now ready to create a great presentation.